Hmm. All right. Testing YouTube. Yeah, let me actually do this. All right. Uh, testing YouTube. Testing Twitch. Okay. All right, let's fix this stuff. Excuse me. I'm gonna move this to the end. I guess it doesn't really matter. All right. Let me start with the timing. I'm gonna double all of this. Changing the timings on this. I think I like this better. This is like way too much. He's all the way to the side. So I think I want to like to be more turned towards us. This is too extreme a pose, so I'm gonna have to like pull it back. So just right here and then down. Timing's off. He still moves too much. me see. I think this is actually gonna. That's fine. So let me see the silhouette by in an early stage as well. Hmm. Now we have everything, and I'm gonna put this back in the game, and then I just have to retime it based on these. So basically, the way I'm gonna time it is you see on the I probably can't see on the bottom, but it says 0.2, 0.4, 0.2, 0.2, 0.4, and I just take basically 2 times 4. Basically, I don't I think 0.05 is 4 frames. I kind of time it here, so 0.05 in Photoshop equals like 4 frames in Unity. That's like the exchange rate, I guess. So like 0.2, which is basically 20, 4 times 5, or 4 times 4, like that'd be 16, right? 16 frames. So this guy moves really slow, and then 0.4 is going to be like double that, so that's like 32 frames, I think. I think. 8 frames, 12 frames, 16 frames. Yeah, I think that's it. It's rare to get 4 frames, is a thing. All right, so let's see. I think like this is better. Just get rid of this one. I think actually get rid of this one. Oh, oops. I think he should be going up while doing this. But I do think I need that frame to get this done. Okay, so this transition should be faster. Just changing the timings. Hmm. No. I wonder how long this takes. 0.3 maybe? Okay, I'm gonna. All right. One. I think that's fine. That's fine for now. I don't really have a lot of time actually to do this. So let's go here and let's get this done. Oh right, where's this case? I think I need that. Then we're gonna crop this, and that's not changed, so that hasn't changed either. So it's just these three you have to add into to replace. Let's make sure it's in the center still, and let's make sure. Come on, let's make sure that I don't have a background here. I do forget that a lot. Oh wait, let's just pull this. Okay, back to normal. All right, so let's now. Okay. Oh my god, it's so dark. Okay. All right, now I just had to put some file work. All right, and we have to re-import. And now let's. Oh, better than use actually. I just. Hang on. Yeah, so the timings are off. So I'm going to go into this character's prefab. I'm going to change all the timings. So okay, so what do I have here? I have 0.2, so we have 8, or no, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and that's where we go. Now this next one's going to be times 3. So 5 goes into 30. That's 6. So 6 times 4 is like, what, 24? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, that's right. Okay, and then we gotta move on to the next one, which is going to be another 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This next one's also going to be 16, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. Now this last one has to be giant. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. I think I messed up one. This is 0.2, so that's 16. This one's also 0.2, so that's 16. Timing seems off. I have to adjust it, but that's what I did. All right. I think that's good. My computer's about to lift off into space, but okay. 1 second. Right. Um, take it. And I'm gonna put it here. Oh, these two. Provider and okay, provider host is really gonna mess everything up. Really using up all my memory. I have to shut down again. Unity, Photoshop, and internet will do that. I wonder. No, you can't. Never mind. You can't hear it. Hmm. Yeah, okay. That's taking way too long. Hmm. Yeah, so I'm gonna change this a little bit. I think that's way too much, so I'm gonna remove 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right. Let's try it again. Okay. I think we can make this really fast. Let me see if I can. Pretty fast. And if you have, if I believe if you change something in the editor while the nope, I messed it up. Oh boy. And we're back. Don't worry about it. Okay, so that works for some things in the script, but not here. So like animator will save things no matter where you are and what you're doing. Keep that in mind. You know, whoever invented Control Z, that guy's a genius. Probably the most important computers. And there's a lot of errors because there's you can't find it, right? I think what I'm gonna do now. I can do like really easy ones because the air dash, excuse me, the air dash. Air dashes are all one image, so I just need this guy again. Doesn't really matter where I put him in this other image. Have to line it up at the end. And I also need this to just line these two up. Like I said, I don't line this up at all, actually. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this. Yeah, I should, because the thing is, like, this is the ground idle, and I have to look for the air idle. Um, hmm. I'm gonna have to go into the code for a second. Um, now I have to start doing air idle, just not an air idle animation, an air idle drawing at least. Things, it can't be too different on the ground idle, I don't think. Um, and it can't be too like balled up because the character is always only one size. It's always like there's no change in hitbox. Hmm. I mean, I guess it doesn't have to be. I can just do whatever I want here. Hmm. What can I do? I can make him. Oh wait, oops, different layer. Yeah, different layer. Wrong layer. Wrong layer. Wrong layer. Wrong layer. Wrong layer. Wrong layer. Okay. Now those are the things I need, and I guess I should. Yeah, I should just. Hang on. I already think I did this somewhere. I think, yeah, I think I should have like the I should have the guitar out. Maybe like a full on. But I find like a picture that actually does this. Let's see. These proportions are off. Where is he? His head's smaller, he's bigger. I think this will be the last one I do. I should set up the whole air idle animation stuff. This is going up here. I think this head's a bit high up. Nope. I think that's good enough. Yeah, it looks like it's in the air. And I will just get rid of you. I just need you, and I just need to crop. I need to change the name of this file. Make sure it doubles. Let's do new folder. You know what, actually, I'm just gonna put it in the file stuff. Okay, save that, and then we're going to go and uncrop everything and stop load selection. And then we're going to go into, excuse me, I'm going to switch to transition, and I had this on the whole time. And we're going to go into paddle 3, and we're going to the prefab, and then we're going to studio mode, and then we're going to create a new animation, create a new clip, and more file stuff. Air idle. Yep. Okay. And then I'm just going to have to put this file in. Okay. Take that copy. Where did I put everything else actually? Now I think about it. Where are my other ones? Jump idle is what I called it. All right. I'll call it. What is hers? Okay, so yeah, there's always two. There's like a transition of some kind. So we're gonna go into here. We're gonna create new folder in assets. What do these do? Create a no jump. So I needed to put right, more file stuff. Put you in what? Oh, now we have him. Oh no. Okay. I also have to. I forgot to put a base on it. One second, just doing in Photoshop. In Photoshop right now. Okay. Why is my computer just this server service thing is just messing up constantly? Up here somewhere. Okay, just a lot of this. Go up. I'm going to stop the crop. Okay, and then we're going to go in here. Now I can go back and oh, yeah, that. Never mind. Wait, I can't do that. Let's go. You can, and let's delete you as well. Now we're gonna go in here and add you in. All right, and now we have you and arrow. I don't want to put you in here, and we're just gonna, yeah, okay, okay. And if we go into the animator, you can see it's just hanging out there. I'm not gonna put a transition. I might later, maybe we'll see. I'm gonna go into the code now. Now we're in the code, and actually, I'm right where I need to be. Look at that. I'm going to go and do this. So right here we have idle. That's a state it's going to go into, but air idle isn't different from idle. So the problem, I think I'm gonna make state new state all up here. I'm gonna make anim play state immediately, and then we can do all the changes to the character. But I'm gonna do if is grounded in here. I'm going to make a special anim play. Really? What did you say? Play? I can't. There. Okay. And then I can do. I named it air idle. So first it will try to play the state idle, and then it will change that. Or if it's grounded, it's wrong. Then it will change that if the character's in the air. So let's see if this causes problems. Let's open the console. We have. I can put the animator in the if I just press play. Okay, so I one. Nope, it doesn't go in. Don't know why. Uh. Oh, right. Um, because it only does this at the beginning when it changes into idle. All right, I see. Yeah, okay. So this has to be just if idle is true, if state is idle. So we have to go down into update. Place and name. Uh, so I only want them to do this once. Actually, no, actually, it should have worked. Because yeah, I kind of only want to do this. Oh, you know what? Hmm. I try to make it change when it changes to in the when you change to in the air, it will start an animation. I can try that. Um, Are these characters handle the animation? Yeah, you know, I think I might have to use an animation for this. Instead of doing it here, I might have to use a transition. Do I? What's this? I'm gonna have to think about this for a second. So if I have animation state, if state equals idle. So if you are basically if you're in idle state, did I do this in my other game? Because my other game doesn't do this. It checks every single frame. You know, I can just do this. I can let's go into we run the code. Yeah, run the code. Okay, so what I can do is I can take I don't need any of this. I can check in the is grounded function. I can check in the is grounded function, and I can see if do this. If it's null, if state equals idle, and I can do. I really don't want to use transitions. I don't want to start that spider web. This might be worse, but I'm so traumatized. So, um, if state equals what do you call this? We're gonna set state because I can just do air idle. So set state like equals hmm, so I can here I can do like is grounded. I can just check and it will change the animation state for me. No, or rather it will like oh right. Uh I can't do that. I can just do like uh, case idle or air idle. Uh, Actually, I can't do it because it's gonna loop. Actually, if I put air is grounded in there, it's gonna loop set state over and over. It's gonna be recursive. So I'm going to. I just want them to play the animation state and do nothing else. Hmm. If I just want them to change the animation state. Well, I guess I can't because air idle doesn't loop anywhere, so I can just do this, and new state will be air idle, and then nothing happens. So I think I can just I think this will work. Yeah, I think in my other game that it actually does make a difference. So I think I can just put this back up, and we can see if this works. Keep an eye on the console. Yeah, okay. And but when he comes back down, yeah, when he comes back down, it doesn't. Hmm. Yeah, I guess I can just I'm gonna do the original. The original thing I did was better. If new state or if is grounded is false, you do air idle, and then uh, where's is grounded? Yeah, that should go away because it's gonna loop. It's gonna create a recursive problem. Okay, so it's gonna go in here and it's gonna go to is grounded, anim play equals air idle, and jump. When do we jump? Do jump. Do jump. Okay, so we're right here in do jump, and then here once it's done, it should set state because if you can jump, you will be going into idle. Um, set state. Hang on 1 second. Nah, only works on double jump. That's weird. Um, oh, right, because the instant, yeah, the instant you would jump. So yeah, okay. Well, looks like there's really no way to do it other than this. Is there another way to do this? Yeah, I don't know. There's another way to do this. Um, let's go to set state. Let's remove this. Just gotta. Where is grounded? Let's say, and then set bool. Say grounded. Looks like it is grounded as well. Right. Is you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this, and I'm not gonna. This is recursive, and it will never get out. So I'm actually just gonna put this once in over here, and that's gonna give it this bool, and I'm gonna. Okay, so once you get that, and from here on in, we're gonna go into Unity. And we're gonna do this, and now I have to deal with the other. So what you do is you make transition, you go into here, and you do a you make sure this is, I'm going to just make this 0, that's 0, fixed duration, has exit time, none of that matters. I just want a transition. Alright, done your conditions. Parameter doesn't exist, so we have to go into here and create a parameter, and it's going to be a bool. We have to name it the same thing, is grounded. And that's going to be is grounded is, if is grounded is false, it's going to go to air idle, and going to make transition back. Is grounded is true, we're going to go back to idle, assuming we're in air idle. Let's make sure everything is off. 0, 0. This. And now let's try. Yep. There you go. It's that easy, but I don't want to do it. This becomes such a nightmare. And I can already see there's a problem there. It's switching to idle once it goes back. You know, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna create like a. I'm gonna have to create like a separate thing here. If and I have to do this both. If this is a mess is anim, anim dot play. There's gotta be a better way to do this, but I'm out of time. So we'll instantly go into air idle if once it changes to here. No, it still does it. So yeah, it still does it. So if we go in through here, for some reason we go into idle, even though that is not what gets played, because it changes the animation to idle. Okay, you know, how about like have this X, and we're gonna put it down here underneath, and then we're going to all right, yeah. Now if we go here, now it doesn't do it. So I had to do both. So at this point, I'm just not going to use this transition. I'm going to find a way around it. I'm probably going to do, set this up. I'm probably going to create like a disambiguation thing. So like, yes, here, I should do like set animation. So like, I can't. So we have two problems. Basically, we need to constantly check between what states we're in and switch the transition. Every frame. So I guess, yeah, I can do like just a bit of a like void set anim, and it's gonna be string new anim. I'm sorry, I think state is better. And this will do like a disambiguation thing for us. And that's gonna be like, it's gonna be the same thing. So like if there's be a switch statement, and I don't need any of this stuff. And we'll say like default will just be anim play state. So anim play state, and then we break. Um, so if the state is idle, and we'll say if we'll say like I do have to use anim name again. I have to like get name of playing animation. Name of currently playing animation. Check it against, because otherwise it's gonna like replay it, I think. Let me check if that does, it might do it for me. Animation, does this check for me animation to play? I guess I can just check if animator.play does that every frame. Check if it's the same as, check if argument is the same as name as current animation. If true, continue, else, or if true, skip. Let's continue. Stop. Alrighty. Okay, that's it. Have to go. All right.